Right. If you own one of these Partner power washer and you go to use it and you find that the thing just buzzes and does not run, then you need to unplug it. Unplugged. Unplug it, and the first thing to check is that the impeller on the end of the motor is free. That is number one. Number two, you then get your very useful tool station screwdriver set from Tool Station. So there we are, we plug in Tool Station, which has got a variety of different bits, and there we are, there's the extension bar which I'm using at the moment. What do you need to do? I haven't shown you on this video or any previous videos because it's rather boring, to say the least, is to test the start capacitor for the motor, for the pump. And as you can see, there are 4 screws, or I should say bolts, 4 bolts with an Allen key type fitting, but I've already loosened them off before when I tested the pump, so I know they're loose, so I'm okay doing it this way. There are various ways of testing the start capacitor, which is 20 microfarads on this particular pump, but they all seem a bit dodgy, using 240 volts and 1 second flashing, and which I don't like to do. So off eBay I've managed to get a replacement capacitor. There's a couple of little small screws on this base as well, at the corners, to remove the cover. To avoid, and there we are with, yes, it'll fit in. I don't think this is a directional capacitor. The only problem being is trying to get it all into the box, and there it is, nice and snug actually. Right, as I was saying, to check this is unplugged, like I said, to check if the pump is seized, on the end there is an impeller, and just turn it and it's all free, so that should be okay. There are no brushes on this motor, so let's get it all back together again, which is a little bit tricky. Trying to get it down, past there, No, we're not quite on in the right position. Over, down, watch your fingers. Right, it's all done. Right, bolts back in. There we are, 1, 2, 3, we're outside. They are plugged in, we switched on there, our switch is there, and it runs. Here we are. How about this, eh?